Narito na nagbabagang balita sa oras na ito. Humarap sa media sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon si ABS-CBN News anchor Ces Orena Drilon ilang oras matapos palayain ng mga bumihag sa kanyang grupo ng 9 na araw sa Sulu. Narito at pakinggan po nating muli ang naging pahayag ng aming kasamang si Ces Drilon.
Siguro maiintindihan ang halaga ng isang bagay hanggat malapit tong mawala sa'yo. And you know, we came close to losing our lives and we didn't ang isa sa siguro pinag-iisipan ko na matagal at parang sobrang I thought I was so reckless. I didn't think of my family that I put through a really terrible ordeal the past 10 days. It made me realize, you know, the value of life, of your family, of your colleagues. And I thank so much Senator Lauren Legarda here. We were together, as you know, in ABS-CBN, and at the time when there was no one everybody was out of reach at one point in our captivity, and Lauren was a lifeline to us. So I really thank Lauren.
It was my Christian duty to help you, sis. Yeah.
And of course, sa mga kasamahan ko sa media, alam kong